So, following the footsteps of Demi Lovato and Selena Gomez, Alyssa Kennedy.
Dylan Martin.
Yeah, not Horn. Soon to be.
Soon to be.
Okay.
Not.
So, we'll be doing the handshake, but it's a little bit different at the end. Just whatever.
I don't know what handshake. The Kit Kat handshake.
The handshake Demi Lovato did. I said that in the beginning.
I know. But they have a lot of handshakes.
No.
I know.
I'm sorry about her. Okay, so it hurts your hands, like they turn red, so only do this if you...
We are professionally handshaked.
Yeah. Okay, so just don't explode. Keep your insides just inside of your body. Don't let them go all over your bedroom and have your parents find you
Dead.
with all your guts spilled out. It's fake. Yeah. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Chocolate chewy, gonna make your day. Everywhere we go, you hear people say, hey, give me a break. Hey, give me a break. Break me off a piece of that. Gotta have a piece of that. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Woo.
I think we did good.
Gonna make your day.
Give me a break.
Give me a break, oh ah. Give me a
a
break.
break.
Give me a break.
Break
Shove
me
it down your throat and make the
Shove it down your throat and make a cake.
Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat. I cut you. Is that you?
Is there someone behind me? If you
Did you hear the music? It's like...
No.
To go.
I seriously.
I've got your back, you've got mine. I surprised you surprised me. But if Demi and Selena start moving, I'm joking. I'm joking. If they start moving, I'll say take her first. I'm joking.
I want to go downstairs.
But we can't scream downstairs. My mom will be like, shut up! Hey.
Hey, Jill,
Yes?
you have to be in your room by 10 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
Because I'm going to go to bed at 10.
Okay. It's okay. Come on. I'm scarier than all those things.
Really?
Yes.
I thought Charlotte was.
Ah!